Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to tie bridal gele, two-sided fan bridal gele. So watch carefully. I already have this on my channel before. When I started YouTube, I made a tutorial on this, but this is an updated one, so keep watching. Measurement for this style is 50-50. Then you're going to make 7 to 8 pleats. Place it at the back of your head, bring forward and cross as you can see. Then after crossing, you're going to take a pleat and pin to the base before you proceed with your elongated fan.
Running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon.
Can you see? So after I'm done pinning to the base, I started making my elongated fan. You're going to do that and move your hand downwards. You're not going to draw it down, though. You just be arranging the pleats and be going gradually downwards, you understand? So when you're done making this part, you now begin to make your fan. As you keep watching, I'm going to show you one thing that you're going to do that is going to make your gele to stand out and look like a professional's work.
We're gonna be two hearts running
wild. Now after we are done with this, we'll start making our fan. If you're tying it on your client, you tell the person to hold for you, or you tell assistant to hold for you. But if you're trying it on a mannequin, just pin. Then when you're making your fans, normally it's big on top, small under. But as you're going downwards to achieve that pear-shaped look, you're going to take one of the pleats big at the down, small on top. That's going to make your fan to look oval. You get what I'm trying to say? Don't worry, when we get to the other side, you're going to see what I'm trying to say, because our purpose or what we are trying to achieve is a pear-shaped look. You get? Now when you've done with your fan to the down part, you're going to take the very first pleat and wrap around it. You're not going to wrap it 360, you're just going to wrap it 180, then you pin at the back. Now we proceed to the other flap. You repeat what you've done on your first flap on your second flap. You get?
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire.
Now we are doing exactly the same thing we did on the previous flap. After pinning to the base, we start making our elongated fan. But the fan is not going to appear here first. You just make it to be long to the size that you want it. Now if you don't want your gele to be very big like this is the part that is going to determine if your gele will be big or not. The way you're making it elongated, you reduce it to the way you want it. That's if you don't want it big like this. Me, I want it big like this. That's why I ensured that it was long enough to my taste. Now after we are done with that, you go ahead to start picking your fans. Remember, I said you could give it to your client to hold, your assistant to hold, or if you're tying it on the mannequin head, you just pin. Then when making your fan, big on top, small at the bottom. Then as you're going down, one of your pleats is going to be small on top, big at the bottom.
As the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again. We wanna keep.
When you're done, you take your pleats until you've exhausted the fabric. You get? Can you see what I'm doing? Now to lock this in, you're going to take the very first pleat and wrap it around these other ones that you've done and pin at the back. It's as simple as ABC. Just that the thing that you're going to take note is that at some point when you're moving downwards, one or two of your pleats will have to be small on top, big at the bottom, you know, so that you can achieve that oval look. Instead of your gele to be pineapple shape, it will be more of a pear shape, you understand? So that's that. When we are done pinning at the back, we are going to wrap everything properly and cover. This gele is very, very, very simple. You just have to understand the technique and the style. Now we cover the back properly, then go ahead to ensure that both sides, both the left hand side and the right hand side of the gele are the same. That's in terms of the neck size. You understand? The neck length or the neck size is supposed to be equal. Don't worry, when I turn the gele forward, you're going to see what I'm trying to say. You see that part of the neck, the left side and the right side are equal. You get, that's what you're going to achieve. Now after we are done with our fan, we are going to pin both together, as you can see. Now you go ahead to do your finishing touch, pin where necessary, and we are done with our gele. Easy peasy, simple as ABC. I hope you understand this video and you get the point. If you've watched up to this extent and you're not yet subscribed, please do. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you in my next tutorial video. See our gele now. Making sense. Is this type that when you tie on your bride, she's going to use it and dance ogechi. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial video. Bye guys.